Wyjmuję zatem podbity sample o życiu, o tym, że prawdę niesie charakter kreowany tu, gdzie blokowi...
Hi everybody, Ziv Simon here. I'm the creative surgical master. I'm in beautiful San Diego, California for the annual meeting of the AAP, the American Academy of Periodontology. And it's an amazing meeting where the best of the world are presenting and attending. It's just a great event in a beautiful city. And as I'm looking at the lectures and attending the different courses, I'm thinking there's one person that is missing, and that is Dr. Radoslaw Jadach from Poland, an oral surgeon from Poland, whom you probably know from Facebook and other social media. And Dr. Radoslaw is simply, in my opinion, one of the most amazing surgeons that I ever got to see. Amazing technique, fine soft tissue surgeries, amazing work with implants and guided bone regeneration, a palatal approach to the sinus lift, the croc eye technique, and a lot of other amazing techniques. And his English is a work in progress, but his work is really a work of art, and he's just a very gifted individual. I was lucky enough to meet him here in California. I visited my practice together with his wife, Kasha, who was a prosthodontist, and his daughter. I visited my practice. We went for dinner. It was a great exchange of views. He's a wonderful person, very interesting, very dedicated to the art of surgery. Unfortunately, his car broke down at the end of the night, so he had some trouble with that. But we had a wonderful evening. I spent a few hours with him, and I have a 5-minute interview where I asked him a few questions, and he gave a very important piece of advice for every surgeon in the world that wants to get better. So if you have the opportunity to check out his work online or in courses, if you're lucky enough to hear him speak, he is an incredible surgeon. There's a lot to learn from him. He's currently working on his own surgical atlas, which is not a conventional atlas. It's full of tips and full of tricks. I already learned a few cool things just by looking at the illustrations that I saw online, so I can't wait for this atlas to come out. So check out my conversation with Dr. Radoslaw, a great surgeon, a great human being. Enjoy. Hi everybody, Ziv Simon here. I'm the creative surgical master. I'm here in Beverly Hills with a legend, and this is Dr. Radoslaw Jadach. Jadach? How do you say that?
Jadach.
Jadach. Dr. Radoslaw Jadach, an oral surgeon from Poland. You've seen his cases on Facebook and on social media. The guy is amazing. He does the palatal approach for the sinus lift, beautiful perio and implant work, beautiful aesthetics, and a lot of attention to the details, and also the latex glove technique to cover wounds. For many years I've been, first of all, welcome to the United States.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. It's great to finally meet you and face to face. You look exactly the same. You look exactly the same like in the photos. Thank you.
You look better than me.
Not really, not really. You're a better surgeon.
I don't know.
Yes, you are, for sure. The things that you do, I really don't, I have to learn. I have to learn how to do these things. How's Beverly Hills so far?
Very nice place, really. Thank you for invitation. It's a great honor to be here with you and your friend. And your practice is very good and well organized and beautiful. And I'm surprised that it happened.
I knew that we're going to meet one day. I was for sure, because we're friends online. You helped me with some of my cases. You gave me advice, and I really look up to you. So you here? What are you doing here in the United States?
Well, I've got the trip around with my family, and on the end of the trip, I've got I think the most important lecture in my life in ICOI meeting in San Diego.
San Diego.
Yes, I'm so under stress about that. So thank you for help, for translation and
absolutely. Listen, I can give you one advice. Just tell the story. Tell them exactly what you do. your work, your surgeries, your documentation, it all speaks for itself. All you need to do is just show what you do. That's it.
It's very easy, and maybe that's why it's working.
Okay.
So thank you for that lesson. It's very good.
Okay.
And I hope it will be good lecture for the level of surgical masters.
Well, it'll be better than that. And you're going to stay here for a few more days. What are you going to see? You're going to go to Disneyland with your beautiful daughter.
Yes,
and
come here.
this is beautiful Nadia. Nadia, tak? Okay. So here's the future of dentistry. By the way, Radoslaw, I didn't know that his wife Kasia is a prostodontist. So this is like an invincible team of an amazing oral surgeon, amazing prostodontist. I'm so lucky that I met you, because I look up to you in terms of how you think, how you manage your implant cases, and how you're careful with the soft tissue. So I know that a lot of doctors all over the world, if there would be one advice, one thing that you would give advice to a dentist
All right.
all over the world, one thing, one advice, what would you tell them to do to be a good surgeon?
Dears, have a lot of teachers, not one. And there is no bad teachers on the world. Take only the best from each other of them, and concentrate and focus on the pluses of them, and take that to your practice, to your technique, and that it means it's progress. If it takes me 10 years to do something, for you should take 2 years. It means it is progress. So I wish you that progress and have a good teachers on your way.
That's really great advice. Like we say, dziękuję bardzo.
Dziękuję bardzo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Great to see you. We're going to talk more, maybe shoot a little bit more videos later.
Thanks
Okay?
a lot. It's
Thank you so
great
much.
honor.
This
Thank
is
you.
Ziv
Thank
Simon,
you.
Surgical Master in Beverly Hills with Dr. Radoslaw.
Thank you.
Posłuchaj. Mówię rapem, rymuję zatem podbity sample o życiu, o tym, że prawdę niesie charakter. Kreowany tu, gdzie blokowika ściany, gdzie jeden koślawy ruch i ręce w kajdany zakuwane są.